Hello there, today I show you my colored dust Photoshop action, how to use it and custom it. There is previously apply some result. You can change the color, background and everything, and you can use the masking. We have include all option and color changing option. See the example. You can use any type of photo. Okay, now we start. First go my download file there. There is show dust color dust Photoshop action by MRI Cocon and brush. So we need to load these two, and this is the help file. You can read the help file. There is some information include, and spelling, create a new brush, spelling is include, and our supporting information include. Okay, first load our script or brush. So go window, you can simply load it, select and double click your mouse, then automatically load your Photoshop, or you can load manually. Go window and the brush section, go this option and input brush. Now we can find out the folder, my download, and brush is show. Select the brush and load button, click. Now it's loaded. Go window, action option, click. Now action option show, and it show maybe right side. I have set it left side, and go window and the layer option, click, and the layer panel is show top. You can load our action, go there and the load action, find out my download file there and select load button, click. Now it's loaded. This is the folder and this is the script. Now we can open a photo. I have opened this photo. You can use any high resolution image. This you can size or resizing, that is your choice. If you need to more space, I have used quick crop tool in top. Now it's okay. Quick selection tool, and you must be check out this. Make sure your photo is a log icon show and background name is background. Sometimes some images look like PNG transparent or layer 0 format. If your photo is PNG transparent layer photo format, you need to do this step, otherwise action make the error. Right button, click the layer and the fit an option, click. Now it's set a log background layer. Quick selection tool, you can use any other tool, but I have used the quick selection tool for selection purpose. Quick selection tool, and there is show select subject button. I have clicked this, and now my photo is auto select, and I have created a new layer. Just click the new layer option and already create a new layer, and double click new layer text option, and this is editable now. BRUSS brush, same spelling, do not include any other character, space, hyphen, comma or uppercase, only lowercase brush, otherwise make action make error message. And click the blank space, and I need to fill up this pen bucket tool, and make sure you select the brush layer and fill up it. You can use any of light color, so make sure you fill up the brush layer and you select the brush layer, and there is the selection mode show. If the selection mode show, then action not working properly. You need to deselect first, selection and deselect. Now deselect mode is on, and there is, I think, some mistake of selection, so you can manually do this. Just make sure you brush the brush layer, and you have select the brush layer. Now I have all-in-one action play means select. This is the folder, this is the script, and I have play the script. Just play button, click. Now start working. Follow as it is my setting. Wait and see. Is working, and we have include all separate layer and color combination. This is the default. Now show the stop message. This is finishing message. Okay, and now I have introducing all layer. This is the color adjustment default eye setting. You can change it if you think it, and this is our photo, And if you need to customize the photo, use this one for natural looking purpose like a photo view, and there is more color dust viewed. If you need to view your photo, you can use this one, and you can use this one. This is another looking and another quality, and this is the color changing option. It automatically change color, all color, and double click this option and you can change the color very easily by one click. Okay, and there is the color combination color option, another one, and another one. You can use the dual color combine or single color combine. See the color looking. So I have included some of color version. You can use it or you can create your own. This is the background color looking. See the background color I have default include, and you can use this one, and you can change the background color. Double click this option and we can select any of color, light color, dark color, and just OK button click. Now is set. At this time I have used this one and OK button click. And if you think, use this one and select the max point and the brush tool, sub brush, and brushing the area. This area top color is black. Make sure, see the removing some of area. I need to some area, not full area. See, now is looking great. It's perfect. Now I show you another one, like this one. I have made the space, and now my video time saving purpose I have typed there. You can use any of size photo. Already lock background layer, and any red color, and I have select the brush layer, brush deselection. Now select and hit the play button. See, this is the one kind of result, and if you think you're not happy this result, you can select the top option and shift button, select the back, shift button click your keyboard, all selection and delete. Now view it again, or I think I mean that again, brush selection and hit again result, then a result come out different type. So you can change the result for apply second time or third time. This is the stop messaging. See, there is no need to any customization, auto fixing everything. So you can use it, or you can manually custom there, or use the extra option if you like. Thanks for see this video and purchase this product. Still, if you need any kind of help, you can join our Facebook fan page MRI Studio. You can mail me MRI Kokon, or you can say live chat with us, our WhatsApp number.